Matapos nga ang naging buwelta ng kaibigan or BFF ni Mrs. Angelica Yulo, narito naman ang naging buwelta ni Chloe San Jose sa pamilya ng kanyang minamahal na si Carlos. Well, sabihin na natin sa ina ni Carlos. Ni Chloe sa kanyang Facebook, "No need for a long caption. This is not even all of it lol, but here we are for you all entertainment. If you're gonna get mad at me for standing up for myself, stay mad. If you're gonna get mad at me for breaking generational curse, stay mad. If you're gonna get mad at me because I reacted to their disrespect and told the truth, stay mad. If you're gonna get mad at me for standing up for my partner against their toxicity, then stay mad. I'm not here to please anyone. I know that, or I know what I did and didn't. Feel free to keep believing whatever you see and read online. It doesn't matter. I know my truth, and so does the people around me. Most especially, mahal Carlos, the universe has my back. Hence, this would be my last time speaking about this. It's honestly getting boring and over-dramatic at this point, as it's been a long-gone issue. Again, stay mad and good luck with your PR stunts, Pakulo. Much love." Narito naman ang mga naging pruweba o resibo ni Chloe. Sinabi dito na hubadera din naman ako ng taon, nagsusuot din ako ng sexy and revealing clothes. Bakit hindi ako mukhang POK to the second power? At mukhang ang tinutukoy dito ay si Chloe, although walang pinangalanan. Pero ito ang mga resibo ni Chloe na panlalait sa kanya ng nasabing ina ni Carlos Yulo. Say pa ni Mrs. Angelica Pakis, "Takot naman ako sa mga post mo, puwet lang naman kaya mong pakita." At narito pa ang ilang mga pruwebang ipinakita ni Chloe, mga conversation ng mga kaibigan ni Mrs. Angelica Yulo, kung saan ay pinag-uusapan nila ang nasabi nga pong si Chloe San Jose na girlfriend ni Carlos Yulo. Doon ay makikita nyo ang mga sinasabi nila about sa panginsulto kay Chloe. Sabi nyo dito, yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.